What if I told you that the moment you stop reacting is the moment you gain control? Most people don't realize this. They think power comes from fighting back, proving a point, making their presence known. But the truth? Power belongs to the one who stays calm, the one who doesn't flinch, the one who knows that silence speaks louder than words. Think about it. The people who command the most respect, do they beg for attention? Do they get caught up in petty arguments? Number. They move with purpose. They respond only when necessary. And when they do, every word carries weight. That's the secret. Indifference is power. When someone tries to get a reaction out of you, what they really want is control. They want to know they can affect you, that their words, their actions, their presence still hold power over your mind. But when you give them nothing, when you don't flinch, don't argue, don't engage, you take all of that power back. They expect anger. They expect desperation. They expect you to fight for their attention. But what happens when you don't? Doubt creeps in. They start wondering, did I misjudge them? Were they ever really attached to me? Did I matter as much as I thought? And that's when everything shifts. When you stop reacting, people feel your absence more than they ever felt your presence. They start chasing. They start questioning. And suddenly, they're the ones seeking your validation. Because here's the truth. People don't value what's given freely. They value what they have to work for. And when you become a mystery, when you become something they can't control, that's when you become valuable. The more predictable you are, the easier it is for people to take you for granted. If they know exactly what you'll say, how you'll react, and what you'll do next, they stop appreciating you. But when you become unpredictable, when you move in silence, they don't know what to expect. And that uncertainty, that makes them uncomfortable. They want reassurance. They want proof that they still matter. That's why people push your buttons. That's why they test you. They need to know you still care. But here's what you need to understand. The person who cares the least always has the most power. It doesn't mean you don't feel anything. It doesn't mean you don't care at all. It means you don't show it. You don't hand over your power just to make someone else feel important. Detachment is strength. And silence is a weapon. When you stop explaining yourself, stop justifying your actions, stop giving people access to your emotions, they start to wonder. They start to feel the shift. At first, they might not care. They might act like they're unaffected, like your silence means nothing. But over time, they start to feel it. The absence of your energy, the missing validation, the space you once filled, now empty. And suddenly they realize you were the prize all along. So the next time someone tries to pull you into their drama, remember this. You don't need to respond. You don't need to explain. You don't need to prove anything. The strongest move is silence. Detach. Stay calm. Let them feel the weight of your absence, because the less you react, the more they respect you.